ready to unlock the vast potential of the American market and establish your business, even if you don't live in the United States. This comprehensive guide will walk you through every crucial step of forming a limited liability company, or LLC, in the U.S. as a non-resident. First, let's talk about choosing a state you're not tied to a physical location. So states like Wyoming, Delaware, and Nevada are popular choices due to their favorable business regulations and often lower fees. Research the pros and cons of each to find the best fit for your business needs. Next, you'll need a registered agent. This is a designated person or company with a physical U.S. address who receives official legal and government documents on your LLC's behalf. They ensure important correspondence is handled promptly. You can appoint yourself or use a registered agent service. Carefully vet any registered agent service for their reliability and services. Now, it's time to file your Articles of Organization or Certificate of Formation. This document formally creates your LLC with the chosen state. You'll typically need to provide information like your business name, registered agent details, and the purpose of your business. You can usually do this online through your chosen state's business filing portal or by mail. After forming your LLC, you will need to obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is essentially your business's tax ID. You can apply for an EIN online for free through the IRS website, though it is not mandatory to have an EIN for an LLC with a single owner. It is highly recommended for many reasons. Finally, it's imperative to understand your U.S. tax obligations. You must comply with federal, state, and local tax laws. You'll need to stay up to date on tax filings, potential withholding taxes, and any potential reporting requirements. Depending on the type of business you are running, consider consulting with a U.S. tax advisor or accountant to navigate these requirements effectively. Congratulations, you now know the fundamentals of starting an LLC in the U.S. as a non-resident.